Is that it already?
Yeah.
When you do consider interval for second line, remember, like, the middle part is always P1 minus P2 less than something, or mu1 minus mu2 something, right? Or standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2. So now what they suggest if the answer is, like negative or positive. The first case 1, is when you have P1 minus P2 and the answer is both is negative. When the answer is both negative, when you do P1 minus P2 and it gives you a negative number, then P2 must be greater than P1, right? Therefore, P2 is greater than P1. Because if you subtract a big number from a smaller number, you're gonna always get negative. So if you get negative here and negative there, you can conclude that P2 is always greater than P1. If case number 2 is when it's both positive. If both of them is positive, then P1 has to be always greater than P2, right? Because if you put like bigger number, like 7 minus 5, it always gives you positive number. So that means P1 is always greater than P2. Case number 3 is when it has P1 minus P2 and it gives you a negative number here and positive number there. That means it contains 0, right? When it contains 0, you're gonna say the conclusion is A, which is P1 and P2, might be equal. That's the only way they can be equal. It's when you P1
the possibility of it equals 0.
Yeah, when you do P1 minus P2, it has to be equal to 0, right? When they're equal. That's why when P1 minus P2 is contains 0 like this, you can conclude that they might be equal. So done. We pause.